Welcome to Cyferd's Kanban View. With the Cyferd Platform, you have the flexibility to visualise your data in the way that suits you best. With the Kanban View, you can easily categorise your records by a specific field of your choice. Let's dive into this HR app. Here you can view your employees based on their country of residence, job role, or even their position in the recruitment pipeline. Our simple interface allows you to easily access the information that matters most to you. Quickly filter the board to see only the employees you need at a glance, and manage them by seamlessly dragging and dropping them into the relevant categories directly from the Kanban. Perform various tasks and dive deeper into the details with a simple click, accessing employee information in an instant. Unlock the true potential of your data with our platform. Cyferd, AI-led, data-driven digital transformation.